Hello, thank you for watching this video. I'm Dr. Melina Vidoni and I'm presenting my work titled Self-Admitted Technical Debt in R Packages. This work explores self-admitted technical debt in R programming. This was chosen due to the differences so far when compared to object-oriented, the fact that R is mostly used for scientific software, and the need to understand the challenges faced by developers. Though SITD has been thoroughly explored before, research has focused mostly on object-oriented programming and in Java projects. Thus, exploring R packages is a novel domain for this topic. To do this, I conducted a mixed methods investigation. First, about 400 packages were mined from GitHub according to an inclusion and exclusion criteria. Second, the Q survey was anonymous, online, and open survey and used a sample of selected comments to address the understandability and clarity of the comments. Third, the A survey was emailed to the authors of the selected packages to inquire about the reasons for adding and addressing SITD comments. Overall, I found that 3% of the comments are SITD, but 11% of the total are fragments of code that is commented out and thus nullified. This accounts for dead code. Like in object-oriented, the most common types of debt are code, defect, and test, but the distribution varied after that. Moreover, there were many instances of algorithm debt that are not reported in object-oriented projects. The developers agreed that because of a lack of time, they still prefer to code faster regardless of the quality of the code. Since most R programmers do not perform a solid requirement solicitation, about 28.4% reported adding SITD comments as self-reminders and to plan ahead. However, less than 17% stated that they actually address the SITD they encounter. This is concerning since the participants were reportedly experts with more than 5 years of experience in R and multiple published packages. Finally, in terms of the quality of the comments, many of them, in architecture and build depth, were clearly stating a workaround to bypass current checks, which is problematic. Furthermore, the results of a Q survey indicate a poor quality and low understandability with a mean Likert of 2.2. This work will be continued by analyzing automated approaches to detect SITD, inquire about the quality of comments and the avoidance of cron checks, and extend to other domains like R scripts. Thank you kindly for listening.